everyone, and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Aveline by Godrej Properties, located right here in Yelahanka North, Bangalore. And today in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. And right now I'm standing on the actual land parcel. The construction site is on my left hand side over here, the marketing office just behind me, and the main entrance on my right hand side just over this side. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 10.1 acre of massive land parcel consisting of 9 towers with each tower of 3 basement ground plus 15 floors, offering you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located bang on Belleri Road in Yelahanka North, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project. So this is the main entrance of Godrej Aveline. Now about the road, so this is the service road for the Belleri Road, and here's the Belleri Road. So left hand side will connect you towards Hebbal, and this road on the right hand side will take you towards International Airport. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect the Satwa Horizon Amazon office in just 450 meters. Brains Hospital is 1.5 kilometers, Bangalore Metro Station 1.9 kilometer, and the Galleria Mall is 2.9 kilometers away from this location. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you 50 plus luxurious amenities like a clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, BBQ pavilion, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, windmill house, cafe, and many more. Now about the super built-up area, and Godrej Aveline offers you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK starts from 1600 and goes up to 1900 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2150 square feet and 4.5 BHK is 2500 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. So we are inviting you all to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flight as well. And something exciting is hidden over here. A stunning design by UHA London inspired by Dutch theme architecture, a project you should not definitely miss. You come visit and experience it yourself, and then if you like the project, you can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Godrej Aveline by Godrej Properties, located right here in Yelahanka North, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.